just started coming up from the hood. It's just, dude, this seat has not been in my seating position in like forever. So now it's like finally pushed back to my seating position. My harness is pretty much adjusted, or at least the 5 and 6 point, which are the hardest ones to adjust. So my seat's all bolted up, 5 and 6 point adjusted, and I can just, easily do those ones. I got my resistor wired in. I cleaned up the wiring a bit over there, zip tied some stuff, made it a little bit nicer. I picked up a set of ignition coils from somebody. So now the RB is running on all 6, not misfiring, because as soon as I unplug one of these bad boys, you can distinctly hear it stop firing. So I remember before, when I first got the RB running like 4, 5, and 6 cylinders, I couldn't tell the difference between whether they were plugged in or not. So I just swapped out 4 and 5 because I remember those ones being the 2 finicky ones. Now sure enough, as soon as I unplug 6, I can tell, unplug 5 I can tell, unplug 4 I can tell, 3 I can tell, 2 can tell, 1 I can tell. So that it's firing on all 6. But I'm gonna, fuck me, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna fucking, so yeah, oh fuck me, I'm literally too excited to even talk. I just need to slap that dash in and be able to at least drive this thing around in a circle or something. Then of course I got my off-beat garage 9-inch shift knob, so I'm gonna install that. Finally, the interior is looking like an interior again. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the time that some of you have been waiting for. This vehicle is assembled now. Got my bumper on, I bowed this one, redid the camber and stuff on this wheel. The side skirt's all on, front bumper's on. Same thing on this side, finally got the side skirt back on. So the entire thing is actually looking like one piece. Oh, and of course the interior is put together. We got a GoPro over there, which means test drive time. Finally, test drive time. The first stop we got to go to is a gas station, because I don't remember the last time I put gas in this thing. Fresh gas. Let's see what she do though. Made it to gas station. So, first problem, I bowed the over fenders. Didn't check to see if I could open the gas tank with it bowed. The answer is no. No, I cannot. I actually just yanked up on it and it's good. Now we can fill her up. See how much this thing takes? Oh, she's definitely dirty. But dude, come on, boys. Come on, boys. She's looking the best she's ever looked. Not the best, okay? The paint work definitely needs work, but I mean, over fenders and wheel, come on, great combo, great combo. Killing it, killing it. 6.4 gallons. Low, but not the worst. But at least now it has fresh fuel in there too. Let's go, boys. some analysis. We got a puddle of oil down there. There's oil right there on the intercooler piping. There's some oil on the power steering pump. Spilled oil along the frame rail. We have them on my connectors for my HIDs right there. And they're also down on the motor mounts. So, god damn it. And it's so cluttered on this side of the car. It's like so hard to see anything. Not so good. I think it may be excessive blow-by because I don't have a catch can set up. So I'm hoping it's that. That would also explain why it's all the way up here on the intercooler piping. So basically it's like there's a boost leak right there. So not only is there a boost leak right there, and that's where excessive oil is coming from. So I think it's just excessive blow-by, and I should put a catch can on this setup. That's what I'm betting on right now, which is why it's just kind of spewing oil out of any holes or anything like that in all the piping or near the intake, which explains why it's pretty much everywhere on the front end, but we'll see. Boost leaks and blow-by, I'm pretty sure. So I need to tighten up my pipes and obviously have a boost leak and also get a catch can. And I think we'll be good. Not bad. I want to race the Kita, like in both his car, like the AMG and the other one. We'll see how fast. Just gonna keep driving this thing on the street, I swear. Boy. Well, that's pretty much all we're gonna be doing for today, unfortunately, because I want to go and compression test the engine and see what's up with everything. Because, yeah, it's definitely having oil leak through on one coupler, which that one coupler, as good as I made the intercooler piping, One of them, after I welded them, was a little bit harder to put back in. So that section right there has 2 boost leaks on both sides of the clamps. And it's that one right there. So there's quite a lot coming from that section. So I'm going to tighten those up, see if that fixes it. If not, I may need to do a cut in the intercooler pipe, so that way it relieves some pressure and can actually sit right in that coupler. Other than that, the engine temps were good. The highest they reached was basically 90 degrees Celsius. So the highest it really reached was 90 degrees Celsius, and that was during like acceleration and all that. I honestly feel bad. I feel like I should have driven it a little bit more, but I'm really rushed on time right now, and I got to get going. So this is about as much as I can record with the daylight we got going on and everything like that. This is much faster than the K though. I'm still going to put a boost controller in here too, so I can bump up the boost and then see what's up with that. Drifting footage coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribed, and if you are subscribed, make sure you have notifications on so you get notified of that video. Other than that, follow me on Instagram, offbeat_garage, as well as check out the score, offbeatgarage.com. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which should be something pretty good. Okay, bye. Oh, look at this, already catching leaves.